In this video, I'm gonna tell you what is my YouTube channel all about. But before we get into the intro, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get to the intro. What is my YouTube channel really about? My YouTube channel is composed of 3 parts. I have tutorials, I have gadgets, and I have games. Now in the tutorials, for example, I'm gonna make some videos like how to create your Facebook, how to create a Google account, and so on and so forth. Now, in the gadget section, I'm gonna do some reviews, unboxings of cell phones, laptops, tablets, any tech you can think of. But for now, I cannot really unbox and buy new stuff because I don't have the budget for it. And if we hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and it is possible that we can buy gadgets and unbox them and review them in order for you to know what is good or bad on that gadget that you want to buy. Let's go to the game section. Basically, I'm just gonna play games and stuff like PUBG Mobile, Mobile Legends and that. But I'm also gonna add some information. For example, how to farm in Mobile Legends effectively, how to improve your aim in PUBG Mobile, and so on and so forth. And that is my YouTube channel. I hope you guys like my video, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click subscribe and ring the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys for watching. I am BlackShark. See you guys in the next video.